This is a checklist for the chief executives of charities, not-for-profit organizations, and non-governmental organizations that operate based on donations and charities and contribute to society. To review the progress, weekly and monthly meetings may be structured as such a way that the operational team leaders do know what they are going to report and update. The structured way of meeting will help them to more organized, responsible and to the point. In this presentation we are covered following areas. Program and project management. List specific milestones achieved this week for each project. Identify roadblocks and describe mitigation strategies. Check adherence to project budgets and flag discrepancies. Confirm all project deliverables are on track. Count and report the number of beneficiaries reached. Gather and summarize feedback from beneficiaries. Note emerging needs or concerns among beneficiaries. Review if team members are meeting targets and deadlines. Discuss team communication issues and propose solutions. Assess resource utilization effectiveness. Highlight resource constraints impacting delivery. Operations and finance. Review and document financial transactions with proper reconciliation. Identify financial risks or irregularities and suggest measures. Monitor employee attendance and performance. Evaluate and address staff training and development needs. Approve administrative documents and ensure smooth operations. Prepare and review financial statements for accuracy. Conduct internal audits to reinforce financial control. Conduct staff performance appraisals and coordinate training. Manage and resolve employee performance issues. Fundraising and development. Monitor ongoing fundraising activities and explore new opportunities. Update and manage the donor database. Review fundraising results and adapt strategies. Enhance donor cultivation strategies. Maintain robust communication with donors. Communication and advocacy. Monitor and manage media coverage. Manage social media presence actively. Update and optimize communication strategies. Evaluate communication channel effectiveness. Track progress on advocacy campaigns and engage stakeholders. Legal and compliance. Ensure adherence to laws and conduct regular legal reviews. Technology and innovation. Assess and upgrade technology infrastructure as needed. Ensure robust data security and privacy measures. Implement new technologies for efficiency and engagement. Community engagement and impact. Evaluate the impact of outreach activities. Address community needs. Strengthen collaborations and participate in community initiatives. Learning and development. Support staff in professional growth. Facilitate knowledge sharing among staff. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, explore more of our content on the YouTube channel under Basheer Juma. Additionally, you can discover a range of books by Basheer Juma on Amazon that might interest you. For an enriching experience, consider watching these videos with friends or colleagues on a widescreen, pausing to discuss and delve deeper into the topics. Your engagement and discussions can significantly enhance the learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful updates.